Basic PCB assembly is easy, but high-precision PCBA leaves no room for error. Today's tiny 01005 components and fine-pitch vigas demand extreme precision. We use fully automatic SMT lines and 3D SPI inspection to prevent short circuits before placement. Flexible and rigid flex PCBs warp under heat. We use special carriers and precise temperature control to avoid delamination and solder cracks, ensuring reliable 3D assembly. For high-speed HDI boards, we conduct DFM reviews in advance to optimize thermal design and protect signal integrity. With full AOI+X-Ray inspection, strict RoHS compliance and optional conformal coating, we deliver industrial-grade zero-defect quality. Whether for small batch complex rigid flex or large volume industrial PCBA, we bring stable, reliable assembly to your designs.